What's up guys, so for today's video I'm going to be filming my everyday summer makeup routine. It's super easy and basic, it won't take you very long to do in the morning, and it's something that I've literally been doing every single day, hence why I'm filming it for you guys. Really quick before we jump into the video, it would mean the world to me if you guys could subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. Also you can go ahead and click the little bell right next to it, that will notify you every time I upload a video, that way you'll never miss my face every single week and every time that I upload. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you don't, feel free not to do that. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this super easy, kind of natural-ish makeup look, then just keep watching.
It's a cool hard wind outside my window. Where people don't know which way to go. I breathe you in 'cause your scent still on my pillow. Oh, I stay home with you in my head. We go undercover, I will be your lover. We're up through night and day. Come on, let me hear you say, let's go undercover. I wanna be your lover. I don't want the games they play. It's not us, so we better stay. Is it real? Could this be a new beginning? Ooh, my whole world falls apart with just the thought of you. But there's a fire in my soul that keeps me spinning. Ooh, and screaming, now is the time to follow through, follow through. We go undercover, I will be your lover. We're up through night and day. Come on, let me hear you say, let's go undercover. I wanna be your lover. I don't want the games they play. It's not us, so we better stay. We go undercover, I will be your lover. We're up through night and day.
Okay, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. That way you'll never miss my face in your subscription box. If you guys have any other video requests, leave them down below for me. That'd be awesome. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Let's go undercover. I wanna be your lover. I don't want the games they play. It's not us, so